End behavior. So the objective of this video is to use limits to describe the end behavior of a graph. So we're going to look at a function such as the one graphed below, and we want to look at what's happening to the left and to the right of x as you're going on to infinity, and write a mathematical statement stating what's happening. So we're going to use the idea of limits to do that. Limits is just looking at infinitely number of things. So what is happening to the left or to the right of something as you're approaching a number or infinity. So here, if we're looking at my graph, as I continually go in the direction towards negative infinity for x, what is happening to my y values? Well, they are decreasing. So because they are decreasing, they're going down, I am going to state that as the limit f of x as x goes towards negative infinity. So this is just a math statement saying, hey, what's happening to the left? So this will not change. So what is happening to my function? So f of x is going towards negative infinity because it is decreasing. So the y values, because remember f of x is just the y values, it's decreasing, they're going down. I also want a second statement saying what's happening to the right. So as the limit f of x, this time we're going to look at what's happening to the right. So x is going to positive infinity. So in this case, as we infinitely go to the right of the function, what is happening to my y values? Well, it's decreasing as well. So we can say f of x is going towards negative infinity. Take a minute, try and write a mathematical statement to state the end behavior of this graph, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. First, I want to see what is happening to the left of the picture. So this is going to be mathematical statement saying what is happening to the left. So as limit f of x, x is going towards negative infinity. This part of the statement does not change. Now I want to say what's happening to the y values. So f of x, what is happening to y? It is going down. It is decreasing. So since it's decreasing, we're going to go, it's going towards negative infinity because it's not going to any particular number. It's just going down all the way. My next mathematical statement that doesn't change is what is happening to the right of this graph. So as limit f of x, this time x is going towards positive infinity. What is happening to the right of the graph? Well, we are increasing. We are going up. My y values keep going up. So f of x is going towards positive infinity.